With the LLM revolution moving so fast, the big question is obvious. Do businesses still need SaaS platforms, or can AI models like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini do everything on their own? This is not a theoretical question. Every entrepreneur, business, and large organization should be asking it. The answer is yes and no. LLMs have enormous power, and they are improving at the speed of light. They can write, analyze, code, research, generate ideas, and support complex tasks. But strong generation is not the same as reliable execution. Real business results depend on more than what a model can produce. They depend on using the right data in the right context with the right guardrails, verification, repeatable workflows, and practical implementation. That is where the gap exists, and it will most likely continue for the foreseeable future. As businesses use more LLMs, agents, tools, and chat systems, their work becomes more fragmented. Prompts behave differently across models. Outputs change between releases. Data gets spread across chats, dashboards, websites, and documents. And without the right context, even the best model can produce generic, incomplete, inaccurate results or hallucinate. NytroSEO solves this execution gap. Nytro does not compete with LLMs. It makes them useful for real business workflows. It acts as the mediation and execution layer between fast-changing AI models and practical business outcomes. This can mean connecting website data, page content, sitemap data, indexing signals, SERP insights, schema, keywords, brand information, audience context, and workflow instructions into one structured AI execution framework. So instead of asking an LLM to guess, Nytro gives it the data and context it needs. Instead of starting from scratch in a new chat every time, Nytro gives users a reusable, organized system for execution. The market is moving from AI experimentation to AI execution. Businesses no longer need more disconnected AI outputs. They need systems that turn AI capability into measurable results. That is why Nytro remains relevant even as LLMs change and improve. More models create more fragmentation. More features create more complexity. More automation creates more need for control. And more AI-generated content creates more need for validation, structure, and visibility. NytroSEO is built for that future. It gives every LLM the data, context, and execution layer needed to deliver reliable outcomes for AI SEO, search visibility, AEO, brand mentions, and broader business workflows. LLMs create capability. Nytro creates reliable execution.